Hello everyone. Today is a holiday. I was Mahashivratri, so yesterday I didn't record the video, and I'm doing that today. So this is a daily chart of Nifty. No, sorry, the hourly chart of Nifty. And what is happening? We'll just go through the chart right now. So this was a channel what Nifty was following. On Sunday, the video that we had said that we may have a dip during the first hour of day. So this was a dip. We exactly took support at the channel line. Now 1 hour high was removed over here, and then we just kept moving higher. So people who are on our group, so they we had sent a message when the 1 hour high was closed, and we started moving higher. Now this over here is the center line of the channel, and that has also acted as a support or a resistance point somewhere here, somewhere here, this area here. Now, and we can see that when the market dipped again, took support there only. So now we have come and moved above this line. We have also crossed the highs of last 2 3 days, which was over here. So these highs have been taken out, and market has crossed that. So currently, I can say market wants to move towards the upper resistance line of 17,050 60 somewhere there is the channel resistance. Now, so that's a good move which market can see in coming week. So if so now this week, as long as we protect the low of 16,600 odd level, we are yeah, 16,600 is the level. 16 as long as 16,600 is protected, and then we have closed around 16,780. So as long as 16,600 is protected, we are looking to move towards 17,080, 17,090 zone. Now, that is not only a channel resistance, but you have multiple resistance there. So when we go to the weekly chart, I think I mentioned it in the weekly report, but I'll still go through it. Now, in the weekly report, if you see, so let me just put a line at 17,000, so it'll be more clear. So this black line is the zone of 17,000 60 80. So now when you see, when market fell over here, you made a close point over there. So closing, open, and the midpoint of a big red candle is important. So around 17,060 70 was the close at that point. We took support on that zone for at least 3 days. Fourth day again we did the same thing. We closed there. Then we dipped below it and went up. Again when we fell, we came to the same line. Again for 3 4 days we went sideways there. So basically on this line, market has spent almost like 10 to 12 candles on weekly charts, which is a lot of time. So it's almost 2 or 3 months of time which has been spent only on this line. So now this line is very important. If this, and it is also a resistance zone, right, for the head and shoulder pattern that we've been talking about. I show you on the line chart how the head and shoulder is looking again. So this is the head and shoulder pattern over here. This was also breakdown point. So that will be a neckline also of the head and shoulder pattern. So now that line becomes very important because we have spent so much time on that line, that if that line breaks, market wants to say something else. It doesn't want to go down probably. So 17,000, you can just round it up to 17,100. So if market starts by any chance closing above 17,100, you get change for some time, like that we may be trying to move higher. And how much high can we go is, we can join the lines over here. Sorry, wait 1 second. Redraw this. And yeah, this is a trend line. So this is where we can head, only and only if 17,100 close above 17,100 is seen, and that too on weekly basis. So for 17, our discussion was for 17,100 because it was a 1 hour resistance also, and so if that line remains very important, and I'm talking to about this right now is because if market has to move up, it will happen in this week itself. So that is why one should know how to take positions for weekly basis also. So if Nifty closes on weekly basis above 17,100, one can look for higher targets of 18,000, 18,000 to 18,000 odd. But at the same time, if we break this low and we trade lower, we are really going to, because now there's no support seen like for a long distance of almost, say these stops over here is 15,400 odd. So if the low is gone of the 16,200 odd, the low which was made on the other day, if that is gone, 15,400 can come in one day. So that is the kind of supply which can happen only if the 16,200 low is removed, only then, and bullish only above 17,100. For intraday players, one can now trade for 17,090. That would be with 16,600 as a stop loss. So we have closed on 16,750, 780 zone. In any dip in intraday with a stop loss of 16,600, we can have a target of 17,040, 50 odd as your target. And then over there, it will be a wait and watch if market wants to reverse from there and then take out the lows, or market wants to go higher and close above 17,100 levels and move higher. So that will be very important for how we trade the coming week and coming days also. So our daily analysis basically is for tomorrow, and tomorrow we have to look to go long on dips and look for higher targets. If 16,600 is removed, or if we open below that and start trading below that, then we should wait and watch for how market is behaving again on this channel line, that is around 16,300 zone. So 16,600 is, if 16,650, 600 zone is taken out, we can probably move down to 16,350 odd levels. So hope you have a good trading day tomorrow as well, and keep noting the levels so it may be helpful for you for trading this week. Thank you.